Now this HPP272 hydrogen peroxide relative humidity and temperature probe, we'll connect it with the PC or laptop. You can connect it with PC or laptop using this USB cable. So you just plug it in. And the other port can be connected to the USB port of computer. Now we start the Insight software. So this is the Insight software which communicates directly with any of the Vaisala smart probes. Hydrogen peroxide probe is basically used in this biodecontamination or foggers. So as you see, the Insight software readily detects this HPP272. It is purging right now. So purging is basically the heating of this probe to remove any contaminants. It starts with purge. You will be able to see the real-time activity here. So after the purging is over, you can see the real-time readings. This is the ppm, hydrogen peroxide in terms of ppm. This is relative saturation, a very interesting parameter. So when you mix water with hydrogen peroxide, you come to know about the condensation from this. If the relative saturation reaches 100%, then there will be condensation, temperature, water concentration, relative humidity, and all the calculated parameters. So now you go to the monitoring part. So once you select the devices HPP272 here, and you select the parameter that you want to monitor. So hydrogen peroxide concentration, and say I want to measure relative humidity. You start monitoring. So it will show the real-time parameters along with the timestamp. So this timestamp is say 45 seconds, and then you can export the file, real-time file. So you make a file and then export it. So I will show you the Excel file format. This is the format. So you get the real-time readings, the chart of real-time readings. So this is the timestamp, date, generation, date 2, and then this is the timestamp 1458. So you are able to log the data. This is called logging, and then you go back to Insight. So in that way you can log the data, see the real-time data, and yes, it is used in biodecontamination, and these days hydrogen peroxide is being used in many applications, sterilization and foggers. So this is a very nice probe without any consumable. The calibration can be done on site as well. It comes with a 1-year calibration certificate, and the lifetime is say 8 to 9 years. So you need not worry once you buy the probe, and then you can use it infinitely for any application. Thank you.